OpenArt AI free vs paid features explained. So I'm on a paid plan and I'll go to upgrade over here. And as you can see, if I click on monthly, it says current plan. I can downgrade or upgrade. So let's compare these plans. This is the free one and this is the advanced one. And if you need more, you could just pay more and you're gonna get a better plan. But over here, it says credits, right? So you're only gonna get one time 40 trial credits for 7 days, which is barely 2 images that you can make. Not even a video. Video costs 200, around 200 maybe. So with my plan, I get 12,000 credits monthly, which is enough for everything that I'm doing. Add on credit packages, which says credit packages are renewed monthly and can be carried over. Number of images, only 40. I have 12,000, just like the credits. 12,000 images a month. This is a lot. Videos, like I said, 0 videos because each video costs around 200. I can make around 150, which I don't even need that much. I don't really use videos that much, and it's fine. If you want less or more, it's up to you. Character creation costs 500 credit each. Of course, you're not going to use it in a free plan. I can do 24 character creation. Character creation, which is keeping the same image in a story, for example. So it will always remember the same character. Custom model training, ability to train custom models. Mass models training costs around 500 credits. That's kind of a lot. So yeah, 17 only. You can't do that in the free plan. One-click story, 700 credits. To create a story, I can do 24. Parallel generations, number of assets that can be generated simultaneously. Only 4. I can do 16 at a time. Unlimited creation, even I don't have it, which is unlimited use of select models during promotion periods. I don't think I really need it, but if you want, it's only gonna be under infinite plan. Now let's go to features. In features, everyone has access to 100 plus premium images, videos, audios. Same with all image creation tools. Now all video creation tools, free plan doesn't have it. One-click stories, which is one-click creation of visual story with motion, music, and a narrative arc. Storyboard and editing, this is where you can edit your stories. Free plan don't have these. Character creation doesn't have, audio creation doesn't have, I do have that one. Image bulk, I don't really use it, but if you need, only the advanced plan has it. Generation history search, free plan don't have it, advanced plan has it. Priority support, none of these, only over here and above. So it all depends on what you are gonna use it for. If you really need it, I just suggest to pay. I really like OpenArt AI. I use it daily. That's why I'm paying the advanced plan. And if you want to know more about how these work, make sure to check my other videos. I explain and show how some of these stuff work and the quality of them. So make sure to check them out. But this video is about OpenArt AI, free vs paid features explained. Thank you for watching.